How to fix Instagram video call filter problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your video call filter problem in your Instagram. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update sign here, you have to first update your app. And once you have updated your app, head over to your settings application from your device. From here, scroll below to apps. At the top right corner, search for Instagram. And from usage, go on to its storage. Here, clear the cache. Go back. Tap on to permissions. Make sure that you have allowed permission for camera and microphone. Now on the defaults, tap on to set as default. Also make sure that you have toggled on open supported links. Once you do all that, if it's still not solving your problem, then long tap onto your app and uninstall your application. Tap on OK, and you can always go ahead onto your Play Store and download the application from here. As you do so, get logged into your account and this shall fix your problem.
That's the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.